Now we have already studied the first law of thermodynamics, which is basically the law of conservation of energy, right? So first law of thermodynamics essentially establishes the equivalence between the heat energy and mechanical work done. Howsoever, first law of thermodynamics, I am representing it as FLT, it also has few limitations, such as the most important limitation is that it does not explain the direction in which change is going to happen. So I have to write it all. It does not explain about the direction in which change is going to happen. And the second most important limitation of FLT is it also does not explain the extent about till which that change can happen. So we can frame it like this: it does not give the idea about extent up to which the change can happen. So these two points are not explained by first law of thermodynamics. First one is that it does not explain the extent the direction in which the change is going to happen. Consider this example: I am firing a bullet on any target, let it be a wooden block, and the kinetic energy, when I already fired the bullet strikes the target. So kinetic energy of bullet gets converted into heat energy in the block. That is true. But then that heat energy do not again compiles up to give mechanical energy to the bullet, and bullet can fly back, right? So the first law of thermodynamics just cannot explain the direction in which change is going to happen. Also, it also cannot give us the idea about the extent up to which. See, consider example of heat engine. A heat engine cannot convert 100% of its energy into mechanical work done. Actually, there is no such engine in this complete world which can convert 100% of energy into work. So there has to be some sort of loss. So again, the first law of thermodynamics cannot be explainable in terms of how much or in what extent the energy or the heat energy or the work done are going to be in equivalence in each other, right?